Today's recipe is the famous Tunday Kabab. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Now you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link is in the description box. For this recipe, I have taken here 500 grams of mutton beans, which I have washed. And remember, for kebabs you need the fat of the mutton, so try to get the fat contained mutton. And I have taken here besan or gram flour. I will roast the besan, and I have taken raw papaya, few pieces of raw papaya. I need some kebab chili, which I have dry roasted, and I will make a powder out of this. Now I will take the raw papaya pieces and make a paste out of this. I have taken here one large size onion, which I will fry it like barista, and I will grind it in the mixer. Ginger garlic paste and garam masala or Galoti masala. Please check the recipe in the description box. I have washed the mutton and strained out the excess water. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients along with fresh cream, some cashew nuts paste, salt, some milk powder, a pouch of milk powder, ghee, and papaya paste, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, everything together. And now I need my hand to mix it well. Remember, the more you knead with your hand, the mutton will release its fat, and this will make the tikka to hold its shape, and it will be a mouth-melting taste as all the masala will go deep inside the mutton. Mix it well and then add 1 lime juice here and mix it again. If you find your dough is a bit loose, then you can add more roasted besan. There is a story behind the origin of every dishes, and I love to share with you all. And this has a very interesting story too. In 17th century, Nawab of Awadh was old and lost his tooth because of his age. He was very foodie and was not able to eat his favorite dishes. That time, kebabs were not so soft, and the king couldn't eat anything of his favorite kebabs and mutton and all. So the brave Nawab found an idea. He decided to conduct a cooking contest. A lot of chefs from every part of the country came, but Chef Haji Murad Ali was the only one who won the contest. He minced the mutton and made it so soft that when the king ate it, and it gave a mouth-melting thing, he did not need to chew it too. He was very happy, and the chef was named Tunday because he was an one-hand person. He lost his one hand in an accident. So the kebab was so tasty, and he impressed the king so much that king named this kebab as Tunday Kabab. Tunday means, I told you, one hand man, and Kabab. So like this way it came into our place too, and we all love these kebabs a lot. What an interesting story, isn't it? If you have any more knowledge about Tunday Kabab, please do share with me in my comment section. I will love that. Remember, while making kebabs, be very patient while frying it because it needs a lot of time, and your flame should be in a very slow flame. And I have added here around about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, and don't flip unless and until one side is done, and it will come out automatically, otherwise it will stick. Have patience. If you try first time, then you need little bit of practice, and just have patience, what I can say. Please do make this and let me know in the comment section. Happy Bakri Eid and Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Do try these recipes. It is just mouth melting. Try it out with lachha paratha and some salads.